In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 oil sprayers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best oil sprayers. The 5th product on our list is the BIGTONE. The BIGTONE oil sprayer is a needed kitchen tool for homes and establishments that wish to add a touch of excellence to their meals. This unique product is versatile and proves to be useful in almost any cooking situation. Weighing about 1.15 pounds and with dimensions of 7.32 by 5.2 by 1.85 inches. We particularly liked the BIGTONE oil sprayer's unique body construction. This oil sprayer is made of durable 304 stainless steel and an eco-friendly glass that protects it from rust. We also like the anti-skid feature at the top of the bottle, which prevents the bottle from slipping off your hand when spraying oil on your food. The BIGTONE has a press button with a large surface area, which puts you in control of the amount of oil you dispense. This masterpiece oil sprayer has a small pour system that enables you to easily refill with your desired oil once it's used up. We found it works well for lots of different purposes, such as baking, cooking, and frying. Its pros are: this compact unit is durable, it has a decent refillable capacity, and the spray is easy to use and maintain. However, its cons are: the neck of the bottle could be better, and the mist spray needs improvement. This oil sprayer is suitable for professional and non-professional chefs that want to control the amount of oil used when cooking, roasting, or making salads. Up next in 4th place is the NORBASE. NORBASE makes frying, baking, grilling, and cooking as easy as slicing through hot butter. This spray only weighs about 1.19 pounds and measures just 2 by 4 by 7.4 inches, making it portable. The NORBASE oil sprayer is an impressive product with a durable stainless steel body and a fantastic multifunction design that helps improve your cooking skill. We like that this product is highly versatile. It can be used for grilling, cooking, roasting, and baking. It is designed to store and spray other liquids like vinegar, wine, and lemon. Its transparent bottle design makes it easier for you to know the quantity of oil left in the vessel and the state of the oil. In addition to that, there's a 2-scale design on this product that we found helpful in gaining mastery of oil usage as it pertains to different cooking methods. Homeowners and kitchen establishments who are serious about health improvement should consider getting this product. It will help you use the right quantity of oil according to your health plan. Lastly, this product has a funnel and cleaning brush to clean the oil sprayer after use, ensuring that you always have a fresh, ready-to-go oil sprayer. Its pros are: this spray is very easy to clean. Its design is ideal for indoor and outdoor use. And this spray comes with a 2-scale design for monitoring oil usage. However, its cons are: the spray does not deliver a fine mist, and the even spray feature could be better. The NORBASE is a great choice for anyone who wants to control their oil use for a healthier life. Still haven't found an oil sprayer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the PUZMUG. The PUZMUG is a fine oil sprayer, ideal for cooking, baking, grilling, and making appealing salads. Weighing about 8.1 ounces, with dimensions of 7.07 by 1.57 by 1.57 inches. This spray is made of 304 stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and robust. We like that this spray is BPA-free, which implies that it is friendly to the environment. Although this product is small, it will still serve the purpose of professional cooking. Moreover, we noticed that its anti-skid press button makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The extensive press area, complemented by the transparent body, makes using this oil spray a lot easier. Oil sprayers shouldn't be a burden, and PUZMUG has considered this by making this product easily reusable and an ideal kitchen companion. Its pros are: this spray is lightweight, it is a secure tool with a multi-purpose feature, and It is easy to maintain and use. However, the pressure pump on the spray unit does not always work. If you are looking for an oil sprayer that you can fill with your favorite oil, soy sauce, sunflower oil, lime, vinegar, and lime juice, the PUZMUG is an excellent choice. The second product on our list is the NGECORS. This oil sprayer is well known in the cooking community as it features a uniquely designed nozzle that suits multiple uses. The dimensions of the NGECORS oil sprayer is 4.7 by 1.7 by 7.8 inches, which complements its weight of 5.9 ounces. When it comes down to the oil control for improved health, count the NGECORS oil sprayer in. The amount of oil that is delivered by this product is perfectly controlled to suit your diet plan. We liked that the NGECORS oil sprayer complies with the Food Contact Management Policy, making oil safe for consumption. It is BPA-free and reduces your carbon footprint by a sizable factor, as it is an eco-friendly product. Every cooking needs a touch of professionalism to make it stand out, and this product assures just that. You can trust its versatility in bringing out the best in you when it comes to grilling, salads, baking, or even frying steaks. Its pros are: this product is eco-friendly, it has maximum oil control, and it is a reusable oil sprayer. However, its cons are: this product doesn't atomize oil well, and the ergonomics of this product may need some improvement. This oil sprayer is deeply loved by chefs and is an excellent choice for commercial and home use. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top oil sprayer is the MISTO. Have you ever thought of getting a reusable oil sprayer that is ergonomically designed to meet every one of your cooking needs? The MISTO oil sprayer is the ideal cooking spray for any cooking activity, with dimensions of 8 by 8 by 4 inches and weighing only 6.4 ounces. We found this oil sprayer is incredibly easy to use, and it works by simply pressing the pump button and the valve for an even mist oil spray. The use of chemical propellants is common in the production of most low-budget oil sprayers, but this product is entirely eco-friendly. That is, it is free from BPA, a known chemical traditional to the production of plastic. We also like that this oil sprayer will help you control the amount of oil to spray, and you can easily fill up the vessel with any oil of your choice. To sum up, we think this is the most versatile and reliable oil sprayer on the market today. Its pros are: this oil sprayer is reusable for different cooking activities. The pressure valve of this product is free from chemicals, and it supports the use of several oil types. However, this oil sprayer is not durable enough for outdoor use. The MISTO reusable oil sprayer is suitable for anyone looking for a non-aerosol sprayer that helps control the amount of oil you use. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.